What is up, guys? So right behind me is the new Hyundai Tucson Hybrid, and I want to know if you would choose this over a Toyota RAV4. Okay, let's talk about design. This has LED lights integrated within the grille. Looks super cool. Your actual headlights, though, are right down here, and this has these really nice looking wheels. And the back looks equally as cool with these crazy looking LED lights. With the seats folded down, you have an insane amount of space back here, and if you lift up the floor, you have even more storage space. So here's me in the front seat. I'm about 6 feet tall for reference. Now I can still sit behind myself with legroom to spare. I can recline my seat, charge my phone, and still use heated seats back here. So on the inside, you have this massive panoramic roof, leather seats, adaptive cruise with steering assist. This screen looks so cool when you switch through the modes. This touchscreen has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and you have a quiet mode. So if you have kids sleeping in the back, it'll quiet the back speakers and only play the front speakers. You're also gonna have a wireless charging pad, heated seats, ventilated seats, a heated steering wheel, push button shifter, storage space in here, storage space off to the side, and the hybrid will get up to